Welcome DIKWP aboard. Your learning journey starts now. Ever wonder why sometimes a translated word feels just off? Like it's missing its soul? That's the puzzle we're cracking today. We're diving into the wild world of translation, especially between English and Chinese, and asking, are we really capturing the meaning, or just swapping labels? So, most folks think translation is simple. Swap words, keep the meaning, easy peasy. But hold on, think about drug names like pranaprofen. In English, that ending, profen, is a big clue. It belongs to a whole family of drugs. Now look at its Chinese name, pulalorphan. It works, right? But did you lose something? That little family clue? That's the problem. Traditional translation often stops at surface level. It's like getting a photo of a cake but not knowing the recipe, the history, or even if it's safe to eat. We need more than just meaning transfer. We need to recover the origin spectrum, the whole story behind the word. Okay, so how do we get that whole story back? Enter DKWP. Sounds fancy, right? Think of it as layers of understanding. First, D for data, the actual words, their origins. Then I for information, how things are different, classified. K for knowledge, the how and why, the mechanisms. For wisdom or values, the risks, the good stuff, the user protection. And finally, P for purpose, why are we even translating this? For a doctor, a patient, an AI? Translation isn't just swapping words, it's rebuilding these 5 layers across languages. If one layer gets dropped, like the knowledge or the purpose, you've got a half-baked cake. Let's zoom in on our friend pranaprofen. In English, seeing profen tells a pro, aha, and sade family. But pulalorphan? To an average person, those characters are just sounds. No obvious link, and the brand name Punan Puling. Even less helpful, it's like a secret code for marketing. What happens when the cognitive path, the steps from word to understanding, gets longer and fuzzier in the target language? That's cognitive distance widening. We compress info for brevity, sure, but if we don't have a way to uncompress it later, we've lost valuable knowledge pathways. So, what's the fix? We need complete semantic translation. This isn't just about finding a matching word. It's about building a richer package. Imagine a terminology card that includes the translated name, yes, but also its origin spectrum. Where did it come from? What's its family tree? A concept card explaining the key ideas. Layered explanations tailored to different needs. A white box audit showing the evidence. And scenario backtesting to make sure it works in real life. The goal isn't longer names, but recoverable knowledge. Give Chinese the power to express efficiently, while keeping the source language's cognitive scaffolding accessible when needed. Why should you care? Because this changes everything. For us humans, clearer understanding means better decisions, safer use of medicine, less confusion. For AI, it means smarter systems that don't just parrot facts but truly grasp concepts. And for society, it's about semantic sovereignty, having control over how we define and understand our own knowledge globally. Translation isn't just moving words anymore, it's reconstructing meaning itself. Pretty cool, huh?